Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of NEO, ticker symbol NIO. And so here I am looking at this on the daily time frame on Tuesday, April 16th, after NEO has closed on the day at a price of $3.81, being down just over 2% on the day, and this actually being the second trading day having closed below $4 per share. Yesterday closing at a price of $3.89. But, it is quite possible that we have found a level of support, but it's also quite possible that we are just going to form what looks like another bear flag. As you can see here, where this shaded channel is, did get a pretty big down move there over the course of multiple weeks, consolidated over here, forming what looks like was a bear flag before a continuation lower. And then we have consolidated yet again over here above $4.36 before breaking lower over the past few days. But one thing that is encouraging as far as where the current price is, I did do a Fibonacci retracement over here from the low hit on March 5th at a price of $4.78, going up to the high here on March 12th at $6.30. And from that retracement, I got the 1618 extension here at a price of $3.84.1, and price is currently right around that level, having closed just above it yesterday and now on Tuesday closing just below it. So I am wondering if that will be acting as a level of support or if price has just dropped lower and it will be continuing lower in the weeks ahead. It has been pretty discouraging, and this is one of the stocks that I cover that I actually do hold a position in, and so I have been adding very slowly as it has been dipping, but I'm kind of wondering where the bottom's going to be. So looking at the chart here, I am hoping we are at a bottom before we can start to move up, but I do think that now that we are below 436, we have all of this consolidation just above that. I do think that will be a key level of resistance that we will need to break above now, and I do think that will be difficult. And then also getting up to these levels here, 478 marked by the red line corresponding to the low over here, as well as the 236 from this Fibonacci retracement at a price of $4.82. But one thing that I did want to point out that might be a little bit encouraging, the RSI is currently at 26.06, having previously been below 30 a couple times over here. And if we do take a step back in the chart, we can see that the RSI has been below 30 before, but that did just correspond with this consolidation here. So I am hoping with the RSI being low here, it is near oversold, and we are going to see a bottom soon, but it could be going down to 350. It could be going to $3. This has just been the one that keeps on bleeding. I thought it was a steal up at $7 a share at this purple line, and I do think NEO has a lot of potential to be up around that price later this year, but it may not be there yet. But looking at this green candle on the day following the red candle from yesterday being down over 5% on Monday, it does look like we could be seeing a reversal signal here with a spinning top, suggesting indecision with the green spinning top here. Hopefully tomorrow we are able to close above 384 and perhaps the end of the week closing above 436. That would be ideal, but the reality is that may not happen. So, I'm trying to just pace myself with this one. My position is not so large that the bag that I'm holding is, really dragging me down. But, I want to be able to be in a position where I can hold this throughout the year, and I do feel like I can do that while still adding slowly but surely. And so this has been a discouraging one, but clearly, it does look like we have formed this bear flag that we did break below 436. That would have probably been a good level to have a stop loss at, but that's only really clear now. So, we'll just have to see where the next week takes us. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.